Okay, so Apple released their new iOS version, iOS 15, and iOS 15's installed all the devices. Resetting system is slightly different. Now we see how we can reset, factory reset iPhone, iOS 15 installed device. So you have to go to the settings and then scroll down, and you can see the general option and click there, and again scroll down, and now you can see transfer or reset button. Transfer or reset iPhone, click here, and then if you want to reset the specific settings, so you can reset, and then you can see the specific option. If you want to reset those specific settings, so you can try that. But if you want to reset all of the document data and everything will be deleted, so you have to choose the second option, erase all content and setting. So I click here and click continue, then erase iPhone. My phone have no passcode on the screen and no Apple ID on the phone, but if your phone have passcode or Apple ID installed, Apple ID sign in, so you have to put it, otherwise you can't reset. You can reset, but you have to use 3U tools. You can see this video how to reset without password or without Apple ID, so you can follow that. But this is normally resetting system from the settings, but have some alternative option if you have any trouble to do the work from your phone, so you have some alternative. But if you face any problem, you also can contact with me on WhatsApp. I can help you to do the work. Okay, our resetting is done. Now just set up, and this is the new iOS 15 opening system. Before it was normally hello or hola, something different language welcome message. So we slide it and then select our language, country, set up manually, and put your Wi-Fi password. Join. Continue. Set up later. I set up later the Face ID, and I don't set the passcode right now. Don't use passcode. Don't transfer. Forget. Set up later. Don't use. I agree. Continue. Not now. Disable. Set up later. Set up later. Don't share. Continue. And done. Okay, so our factory reset is completely done. The iOS 15 factory reset is you can do like that. All the iPhone and iPad is same system to reset. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tata.